You just can't get the staff sometimes, I'll tell you. Hiya Peeps, Jellybaby here, and for today's video I thought I'd do an everyday makeup look. Now I must admit, generally when I put makeup on I tend to go a bit overboard anyway. I tend to wear whatever eyeshadow matching my outfit. But I thought I'd show you guys how to do like a really simple like cutesy look. First I'm going to start as always with my Prep and Prime. And I'm just going to rub that in with my hands. On a day-to-day basis, I don't tend to wear foundation most of the time, just because, frankly, it's effort to put it on. Especially when I'm doing like a quick look. So I usually just go in with my Lasting Perfections concealer, or whatever concealer I'm using at the time, which I'm using this one at the moment. And I got the shade One Fair. I just put that under my eyes, my nose, a bit on my chin, any blemishes as well. Then I'll take my beauty blender, which is a bit stained. It's clean, but the colour just does not come out. I'll take my Pro Fix by Makeup Revelation. I am just going to bounce that in. It's not perfect coverage, but then on a daily basis, I don't really want perfect coverage. I just want, you know, to not look dead. Then I usually go in with my eyeshadow primer. I got Fix and Focus by Makeup Revolution. And I just put a tiny bit, because we're not going overboard with eyeshadow today. I just smooth it in with my fingers. And then for an everyday eyeshadow look, I usually go for my Soph's palette, which I am always using. I absolutely love this palette so much. It's so good. And first I'm going to shade here, which is Pancakes. I'm just taking a flat brush. I'm just going to pat that all over just to set the primer. And a blending brush. I'm going to take the shade Pug, which is this one. I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm going to take the shade Mug Cake, this one. And I'm going to put that into my crease as well. Only slightly, just to deepen it up a bit. And then going back to Pancake, blend it out a bit. Apologies about the noise in the background. One of the cats is going crazy in the hallway. Out of curiosity, has any of you guys got snow where you are at the moment? We've had snow warnings for like the last 3 days, and we've had like zilch in terms of snow. It's snowed like consistently since yesterday, but it's like so fair that I'm like, it's not gonna lay. But I don't know, you never know. I don't know. I like snow, I just don't like being in it. Fairy Lights, which is this one here. Flat brush again, and I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner. Don't know if you can really see that. It's quite dark today. I'm just gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, and I'm gonna take the colour Pink Heart. I'm just gonna ever so slightly pat that in my inner corner as well. And then taking the other side of this brush, I'm just going to blend it out slightly, just so it's not just like block of colour. For eyeliner, because I do like wearing eyeliner sometimes and haven't worn it in a few days, so why not? I'm going to take the MUA Matte Black Eyeliner, in of course black. And it's just one of these, a little pot eyeliner. And I'm going to do a little wing, or try to. I just can't, I used to be so good at doing eyeliner, and now I think it's just because I don't wear it every day now. It's terrible. Now we've got the eyeliner down. Somewhat perfect. I don't think this eyeliner is the best, to be honest. Like, it's a cheap one, so I'm not expecting loads, but like, it's really hard to get like a super sharp point, you can see. So, recommend if you're on a budget and you're good with your hands. Cheap, so I'm not too mad. Moving on to the eyelashes. I do curl my eyelashes every day, which is probably not the best for them, but I just like how they look when they're curled. I've got really like spindly eyelashes, so if I don't curl them, they just like stick out like this. It's not good look, it's not good look. Then for mascara, as always, Lash Sensational. I will get some new stuff soon, I swear. Everyone's probably bored of me mentioning the same 5 products, but I just like them so much, okay? That's why I use them all the time. Then gonna go in with my MUA white eyeliner. And then bottom mascara, I'm taking the bottom half of my big eyelashes, big eyes. And only because mainly it's just got a smaller brush so I can get right up in there. And then for highlight, take my Moonchild palette again, and I'm taking the shade Star, which is this one. And I'm just going to take this flat face brush. And then a smaller brush for my Cupid's bow and nose. I can never talk when I'm trying to film a video. I don't know what it is. And brow bone. And I'm going to smooth out on my finger just so it's not so in your face. And then for blush, I'm going to take this rounded powder brush. And this Avon, it's called a Luminous Ideal, and it's a blush, and it looks like this. But it's so pastel-y and shiny, it's so nice. I'm going to tap that on my cheek. And I just realised I have no powder on. Whoops. I'm going to take my Stay Matte powder and just go over and hope it works still. Hopefully that powder still does something, but who knows. I can't believe I forgot to put powder on. The last step I'm going to do is liquid lipstick. And yes, I do wear liquid lipsticks every day. It's probably really bad for my lips, but I do lip scrub and everything like every couple of days, but I'm just obsessed with how liquid lipsticks look, okay? One of the shades I usually go for is the Makeup Revolution liquid lipsticks. They are so good, like seriously. And this one's in the shade Rain. And the other one I usually go for is Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in Celebrity Skin. Or failing that, I also use the NYX Lingeries. And this one's in the shade Lace Detail. And they're all my favourites. I couldn't pick between them. If I'm wearing like a loud outfit or like a pink outfit, I'll tend to go for a pink or like a dark outfit. Sometimes I wear black, or like I've got a dark blue lipstick. It just depends on the day, but I'm gonna use lingerie. They smell so good as well. Such a good shade. The other thing I usually do on a daily basis is I usually have glitter or gems on, and like most people are like, oh, that's not an everyday thing. It is to me. Serious business glitter is. I don't really have a yellow glitter or yellow gems, so I think I'm just probably going to stick with this just for a... Rogue is bolting it around my bedroom. You just can't get the stuff sometimes, I'll tell you. That is my everyday look. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment... Seriously, Rogue. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything you want me to do. And hope you have a good day. Bye!